Hey everyone, I'm going to show you my springtime go-to look featuring the new Warm Cranberry Multicolour eyeshadow palette. I want a really lightweight glowy base, so I have combined 1 pump of Bare Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm with 1 pump of Intensive Skin Serum Foundation, and it creates the most gorgeous finish to the skin. Going into my beloved Corrector to brighten and lift my under eyes and correct any blemishes and pigmentation. For bronzer, I'm using Cool Almond Foundation Stick. I love warming it onto my hand first, then bouncing it on my skin. Going into Instant Full Cover Concealer and my concealer blending brush, just where I want a little more brightness and to create more structure to my face. Then blending it all out using my full coverage touch-up brush. To create a pretty glow to the skin, I'm taking Afternoon Glow highlighter on the tops of my cheeks, tip and bridge of my nose, and on my cupid's bow. Now taking Bold Baroque Luxe Defining Lipstick as a pretty pink blusher. For eyes, I'm starting with the color Rose Gold in my crease as a soft transition. Then picking up Dusk and placing that in the outer corners of my eyes and along the bottom lash line. Now taking Champagne Quartz on my Smokey eyeliner brush and spraying a little Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray for more impact and sweeping it through the inner section of my eyelid. Dipping my eye definer brush into Red Rock to create a wing liner. Starting on the outer corners to create a wing, then slowly pulling it back along the lash line, stopping 3/4 of the way through. Then of course finishing off the eye look with Smoky Eye Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I want to create a nude lip to go with this look, so of course I'm taking my tiny Cocoa lip liner to define my lips, then pairing it with my new favorite nude lip color, Romantic in the Luxe Defining Lipstick range. And there you have it, my full look featuring the new Warm Cranberry Essentials Eye Palette. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.